Alan Reese here, Senior Product Manager for Chevet DJ, and we're at the DJ Lighting and Sound Audio Symposium 2023 for the 10th annual. So happy to be a part of that. And behind me, we have a number of new products I'd like to showcase with you, starting with the big bad boy, the GigBar Move Plus ILS. This is a multi-fixture with a ton of different products built into the bar. I'm sure you've seen this or at least have read about it. It contains moving heads, wash lights, lasers, derbies, and even strobes all built into the bar. But more importantly, this is the brains behind the ILS ecosystem, which allows you for the very first time to master and slave different fixture types together. So before, you would have to have a Quinta controlling a Quinta. Now you can have a GigBar controlling a Quinta, or a moving light, or a wash light. So in addition to all of that, we have the ILS command, which isn't here presently, but it's basically the brains of the GigBar extrapolated out into a controller and allows you to control the ILS ecosystem, which is any product with ILS in the name, wirelessly. So the ILS command has that built in. The GigBar Move also has it built in and can communicate with, say, a Swarm Wash Effects wirelessly. Put this behind the DJ booth, put some swarms out to the side, and again, control all of that right from here. This is just the first stop on this lighting tour. Behind it, we have the Abyss 2, which is a fantastic water effect light that you can see on the ceiling, complete with a color wheel, high-powered LED, and to kind of set it and forget it, it sets the mood, it sets the ambiance in the room for whatever the type of event it is. As you can see it from here, it's shooting all the way down, even with the lights on. I forgot to mention that the GigBar comes with a wireless RF remote for you to control this wirelessly. So put the GigBar behind you and keep this up by your DJ booth and control it. Moving on, here we have the Freedom H1 pack, available in black and white. Very compact, wireless battery operated product with a hex color LED. You can pretty much set this anywhere, including your GigBars. And then when you're done for the night and you want to charge them, it includes this carry case, and just put them all in. One plug charges all four. It includes an IR remote. On the unit itself, very easy to use. LED display, your buttons here, power switch, charging port, magnet on the back. You can put a clamp on it if you want to, and as well as a removable magnetic filter to alter the beam angle. Keep it in line with that. Wireless, here's a easy pin zoom pack. This is a battery-powered easy pin zoom, and you can see the range here ranges from 5 all the way up to 25 just simply by turning the zoom lens here. So if you want to highlight a cake or a plant or anything that needs a little accent light, this is the perfect product for you. The head is adjustable, has a magnetic base as well, rechargeable with USB Type-C, and a battery indicator right here on the front with a dimmer as well, so you don't have to worry about the remote if you don't want to. Includes a case of 4, as well as the IRC6 remote, and some gel filters in case you don't want white light, you can color it. And speaking of wireless, what better way to communicate wirelessly than with our DeFi XLR pack? This pack includes everything you see here, 1 wireless transmitter, 3 wireless receivers, and is compatible with any DMX product. You do not have to use this with Chevet. You can simply take this and plug this into any DMX-enabled product and communicate wirelessly using Chevet's DeFi proprietary protocol. It includes this drop-in charger that will control up to or charge up to 8 different units, which can be purchased separately. In addition to that, we have our DeFi USB. For any product that is USB enabled, you simply plug this into the back of it, and this will communicate the same DeFi signal, and they will communicate with the DeFi XLRs. This will also communicate with the GigBar Move Plus ILS, so specify both of these will. And this is a fantastic proprietary way to set it and forget it. You want to control fixtures in master slave? This is a great option for you as well. Well, I hope you guys had a good time listening to me ramble about what we had to say here at the DJ Symposium. My name is Alan Reese from Chevet DJ, and thank you so much for tuning in.